Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine. House number 1. This 3-bedroom 3-bathroom house is located in Edgewater, Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 1,800 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 19 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. And we're now going to move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is a third bedroom. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 out of the 3 were shown. From here, that would end house number 1. House number 2. This 2-bedroom 1-bathroom house is located in the gated community of Green Village in St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 850 square feet and it's been sold at a cost of 30 million Jamaican dollars. As we take a closer look on the inside, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen, and followed by that are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. Next is the bathroom, and here is the laundry area. We then move from here to take a look at the back of the property. And that would end house number 2. House number 3. This 8-bedroom 6-bathroom house is located in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 1,712 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 45 million Jamaican dollars. Here we have the living area, dining area, and next is the kitchen. We're then going to move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. This house has 8 bedrooms, however only 3 out of the 8 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 6 bathrooms in all, however only 2 out of the 6 were shown. That would then end house number 3. House number 4. This 2-bedroom 1-bathroom house is located in the gated community of New Harbour Village 1, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 850 square feet and it was sold at a cost of 20 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area, and from here you can also see the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms, however only 1 out of the 2 is being shown. Followed by that is a bathroom. And from here we're going to head to the back of the house, and that will then end house number 4. House number 5. This is a 6-bedroom 4-bathroom house located in Bagwalk, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 2,891 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 30 million Jamaican dollars. As we go on the inside, we have the living and dining area. Next, we have the first kitchen. And this is the second kitchen. We're now going to move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is a third bedroom. This house has 6 bedrooms, however only 3 out of the 6 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the third bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 3 out of the 4 were shown. We're then going to move to the back of the house. And that will then end house number 5.